So for today, I'm going to teach you how to find and copy your USDT ERC20 wallet address on your Trust wallet. So first, you need to install your Trust wallet on your mobile device and access it by opening the application and also linking your current wallet if you have one, and if you don't, just simply click the create new wallet. And then after that, you need to navigate onto the search icon, which is located at the top right corner of your screen, and just simply use the search bar for you to able to search for USDT, and make sure that the USDT you will click is on the Ethereum network. And after clicking on it, if you wanted to receive your USDT in your Ethereum network, just simply click the receive button, and after you click the receive button, you will see a QR code photo that is presented, as well as the alphanumeric wallet address of your USDT in Ethereum network. If you found it super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.